Hi guys, rachybop here. Welcome to my unboxing of the iPad Pro. This is the iPad Pro 2020 12.9 inch. I finally gave in and ordered one because I realised I had a need for it. I've never had an iPad before. The ones I've shown on this channel have been Ryan's, and I just decided now was the time. I needed to upgrade my graphics tablet, and weighing up the options and what other things I do in my day-to-day life, this just seemed like a better option. So I've ordered this and the iPad pencil. I'm still waiting for that to arrive, but it's coming today. So this is the box. I actually ordered it from Amazon because it would come quicker from Amazon, next day delivery with Prime, whereas with Apple I would have had to wait until like the end of September. So I went with Amazon. It was the official Apple store on Amazon. So this is a box that came inside the shipping box, and in here we have the iPad. Oh my lord. Okay, so that's completely empty box now. It's quite magnificent. I really don't know how I'm going to feel about this. My only experience with an iPad Pro, which really made me want one, was when I was at the first ever Game Changer event, which was for mobile games. Sims Freeplay, I think, was the reason we went, but we were getting shown loads of different mobile games that we might want to cover as part of the Game Changer program, and one of them was SimCity Build It. And they showed us it on the iPad Pro back then. It must have been the first gen, and it blew me away. This is the 128 gig iPad Pro 4th gen 12.9 inch. I went with the bigger one because I just thought, why would I go with the smaller one? The only reason would be the cost. And if I actually go with what I want, this is the one, especially for drawing on and stuff. You kind of want the biggest canvas that you can get. Oh my lord. Oh, it's like, well, is it like, I don't know. It's lighter than I was expecting, I think. So we've got the iPad. And what else have we got? Oh, a charging plug. Charging plug. And a cable. And I think that's it. And then in here, do we get stickers? Probably. Yeah, standard stickers. Instructions, all that kind of shebang. See, a lot of the reviews actually were things that people that, like, obviously it's been marketed as a laptop with the magic keyboard, which I haven't ordered. Wow. Oh my goodness. It's just a screen. Oh. I went with the silver, by the way. I was a bit torn, but if it'd been rose gold, I would have definitely gone for that. So manually. Oh no, I need my Wi-Fi password. Oh. Okay, we're signing in. Next. It's gonna take a few minutes to activate. Oh, Face ID. Slowly. To complete the circle. I have been scanned. Setting up a passcode. Re-entering passcode. It's just asking me about loads of settings. And now it's restoring from the iCloud. I'm gonna let that restore. Now let's unbox the Apple Pencil. Okay, so now it's a few days later. I've worn the same jumper for continuity, even though I've just told you it's a few days later. I've unboxed the Apple Pencil, so I'm gonna insert that clip here because I couldn't wait to come back to my little setup to finish. So in the Apple Pencil box, you just get a few leaflets and the Apple Pencil, which is beautiful. I think you can get cases for this, but I'm not sure that's something I will do. I think it's absolutely beautiful the way it is. Now I do now, since filming before, have a case for my iPad. It put the fear of God into me that I would do something like drop it or just damage it in any kind of way. I also ordered a screen protector. I don't think you can have one without these things. This case is just a very cheap one, but it does the job. It's robust. I think it will protect it. It's in a rose gold. This is like kind of a see-through back. I don't like the ones that are just opaque so you can't see, but this one you can see the Apple logo through it, and it has a nice folio front that folds around the back. So smooth. And you can then make it stand up like so. Beautiful. I think it works really nicely. It holds it up. It's strong enough. I love it. So This is really great, and also it has a little area along the side that's kept uncovered, so you can then pop your Apple Pencil on there to charge, which is great. I love the Apple Pencil. I think it's really amazing, and I love that you can just draw on it. One thing I will say is, I mean, mostly I've been playing Seekers, which is a hidden object game. If you are playing that game, I'm going to leave my code down in the bottom so you can add me. I'm really enjoying playing that. I know it's not pushing the iPad to its full capacity, but it's a nice thing. Also, watching videos on it is absolutely stunning. I would say probably the things that are the best so far for me is Seekers, which is a game that looks absolutely amazing. Also, SimCity Build It is always a winner for me on the iPad Pro. This thing goes really loud as well, so the sound and the visuals combined just make it feel super powerful and futuristic almost, especially like when you scroll in the App Store. You can see videos playing and things. It's really nicely done. So this is how SimCity looks. I think it just looks amazing. I think it's really, really cool. And the sound just goes so high. Really, really high. Very high. We don't need it that loud. But obviously, alongside that, I've got my Adobe subscription on this as well, which runs really nicely. But I did have to get Procreate because it's just works so well on the iPad. Like, this is just an example of how the Apple Pencil works, but it's just so easy to use and just great. I love it a lot. That brings me to a point about the iPad is it isn't just the iPad you're paying for. Obviously it depends what you're getting it for, but if you're getting it as a computer as it is marketed, you're going to need extra peripherals, not to mention the Magic Keyboard, which is like 350 quid or something like that. It's a lot more, and you can get a really good gaming laptop for that. So not 350 quid, but this price plus that, plus the peripherals, you could have got something really powerful with powerful gaming on it. So you're also going to need Procreate if you want to get it to draw, plus the Apple Pencil. The Apple Pencil is about £118. Plus, and you want the second gen because the first gen will not work with the iPad Pro. Procreate costs $9.99. If you have an Adobe subscription, then fair enough, you'll be able to use Adobe on it, but I still think Procreate has its place. It also has animation function within it, which is great because you can't get Adobe Animate on this as far as I can see. Plus, it doesn't have a headphone socket. There's only this USB-C, which is to charge it, but also for external peripherals. That's the only port it has on it. So you're going to need Bluetooth headphones. If you want headphones, that's another cost to add on. So if you are looking to get this iPad, just bear in mind those extra costs. Another bit of a downside to this, plus the case, plus the screen protector. And you can get like paper-like screen protectors, but I decided to go with a glass finish one. I haven't put it on yet, but I decided to go with a glass finish one just because I think personally I would rather protect it from dropping. I may need to do a review further down the line. This isn't a full review. I haven't tested out the camera. I don't know how the battery life is yet. I've only used it like for this weekend. So I guess we'll see in time. But so far, just from doing basic things, I'm very impressed with it. I am a little let down by the plug because the fact that I have to have this plug out is a little bit annoying to me. I would have liked it to wireless charge. Obviously the Pencil wirelessly charges on the side of the iPad, which is great. It saves a lot of time. But you can't wirelessly charge the iPad itself. And plugs just in general from Apple are super annoying. They're so slippy, they're really hard to get out of the plug socket. They need to have like the little lip like they do on every other UK plug, but Apple for some reason just have this little indent. It's not enough. But anyway, those are my first impressions and unboxing of the iPad Pro and the Apple Pencil. I mean, I've only just dipped into this world. I've got a ton more to learn and look forward to. Also, you get the Apple TV subscription when you buy a new device, and that doesn't matter where you buy it from. As far as I'm aware, I got this from Amazon, like I said, because it's a new device. I still got the subscription to Apple TV for a year, so that's great. And it's a nice big screen, so anything I watch on here from Apple TV is gonna be great. So let me know if you have any questions down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you again soon. Bye!